Hi and welcome to this quick tutorial video. I'll be showing you how to add Linktree to your TikTok bio. Adding Linktree to your bio is only possible on a business account, so you'd have to switch if you're already using a personal TikTok account. To switch, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, then tap the three horizontal bars at the top right. Go on to Settings and Privacy. Select Account and then select Switch to Business Account. You'll be given a brief rundown of what a business account entails. Next, choose the category content under your account would fall under. Add your business email and update your bio if you wish. You can then proceed to actually registering your business account. Return to your profile, tap on Edit, click on Link and then on Website. Accept the terms of service and then get started. You're given a business registration form where you input your business information like name, location, and very importantly, your business license ID. Next, verify your business by uploading pictures of your business place. You'll then be given the option to select a method to verify your business. Once you're approved, you can then proceed to add in your Linktree URL. Go back to your profile, tap on Website under the link section. You can then paste or type in your Linktree URL and then save it. To verify that your link works, return to your profile and then tap the link to see if it redirects properly. And that's how you do it. I'm hoping you're one step closer to giving your business the visibility that it needs. Thank you for watching this video and see you the next time you're here.